A student often chooses not to attend school for one day for several reasons. All students require plausible justifications for missing class. Each student, regardless of how devoted, has skipped an entire day or two of school, whether on purpose or not. Even though it's crucial to attend class whenever feasible, you should be ready to provide the most excellent justification if you're compelled to miss it. Similarly, like the solid armor guarantees your safety even when the risks are significant, good explanations for missing class do the same. Do you already have any plausible justifications for skipping class ready to provide your parents? It has several fantastic justifications you may use to ensure you will be found trustworthy. People frequently miss school when they are sick. You can inform your instructor of your temporary illness if you are only absent for one lesson. Health-related absences from school are a perfect justification. Because the signs of a migraine cannot be confirmed, utilizing it as a reason to skip class is a great idea. Just let your lecturer know you spent all morning using the restroom. Nobody likes to hear about your diarrhea, so they won't probably press the issue anymore. Inform your professor that your automobile was stolen and that you cannot attend class. Declare that a police complaint has to be filed. Many parents enjoy sending their kids on vacation while still in school. This family vacation justification can be utilized with the administration as long as the parents get in touch with the school authorities. Traffic congestion may be caused by auto accidents or poor luck. You have little control over this scenario, especially if you have no other choices. You can ask a close relative to play the sick card if you do not feel like doing it yourself. This health-related justification is equally as compelling as the others mentioned before. Natural disasters might occur depending on where you live in the country. If you require a call or a day off from class, it might prevent suspicion or inquiries from your teachers. Inform your parents that a buddy you were out with recently tested positive or was exposed to the disease and that it would be best for you to remain at home and take a test. Another popular justification for skipping school is a family emergency. If your professors or friends inquire, you should be able to provide this justification. Sometimes, you give specific explanations for your absence rather than using the justifications of being ill or traveling. It might be accidental or planned to miss the bus. You might not be able to attend class if you miss the bus or if your parents drop you off at school because they have to depart early for work or because they don't have time. It doesn't stop with this list. There are countless other justifications one might provide for skipping class or school. In this video, we tried our best to provide instances of both legitimate illnesses to use as an excuse for missing school and other valid reasons to skip class. After that, choose the best option from your shortlist.